Hey guys, how's it going? This is Lego Gunter Georgie here. Today I have a Lego Glock 17. Now, as you see, gonna work for a different color scheme, more realistic working trigger, moving slide obviously, slide lock which you can do the casual push down or the power slide, whatever they call it. As you see that there is the ejector, so it clips onto the side of the bullet and pushes it out when it's open chamber. Now the chamber, which shows a barrel tilt, which moves back a little bit just like the real one. There's the chamber, which does tilt down just like the real one. Now as you see, the handle is a different design, as is the trigger guard. That there is supposed to simulate the disassembly, but I couldn't do it. Trigger guard is made with brackets. As you see, a lot of curves on this weapon which make it more realistic. Now the handle, which is very different, goes up into in my opinion, a very realistic weapon. So now, loading the mag release, power stroke, I believe they call it, there's the sights. Once again, the sights. If you notice, there is an indent on the back of the gun, just like there's a little bit extra at the back of the gun, just like the real one. Not sure why it's there, but it is. And yeah, not much else to say about this gun. Took me a while to make. That is a comparison to the size of a real Glock. It's about 2 flat bricks bigger, which isn't very good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.